What's good with y'all boys, man? Welcome back to another video. I'm in the library and as you can see the bookshelf behind me, but they fixing something and it might be a little loud. Just to give you a little heads up. But yeah, so I'm about to get right into the trade recap. Today was a fantastic day. I took two trades. I went two for two today. I kind of want to see it long from here, but let me break down the trade that I took. So the first trade that I took. So when we opened up at 9:30, we were obviously bearish. I wanted to see shorts throughout the day. We had these lows that was obvious targets on liquidity. You heard it, man. Hopefully that's not too loud. But yeah, so we had these daily lows that was the draw on liquidity, was the obvious draw on liquidity. I thought we was gonna take it and then bounce up, but we ended up not taking it, right? And then we came once we invalidated this 5 minute. I thought we was gonna go reverse, but since we never took this low, I had confidence that we were gonna come and take this low first before we even want to see a rally up. So when we started distributing, we put a SMT right here, internal manipulation. See, I wanted to pop right here, but since we closed above that, this then became my interested point. So originally, I wanted to pop right here. This I wanted this to be my trade, 30-point stop, targeting these lows. But I'm not gonna say it moved too fast. I'm gonna just say it was me because I was not confident in my setup. I don't know why, but I was kind of scared to pop because I've been in like a losing streak. So this trade, I was kind of scared to pop, but fortunately, we got a retracement, right? So this became an even better trade setup. We came down here, we reacted from this 5 minute turtle soup SMT with the overall higher time frame model. So then now we came here, we placed the 2 minute FEG, and then that was my entry. Um, Today I popped two contracts. When I got into this trade, I was not aware that this was two, but since I was already in, immediately as I got in, price just fell. So I didn't want to mess up my trade. So I got into two contracts right here, targeting these lows, and then that was a $300 play. And then the second trade that I took, I wanted to rebalance to the equilibrium. As you can see here, we displaced down to this daily FEG. So once we mitigated it, I wanted to see a reaction from that zone. So that's the reason why I wanted to see buys from here. So when we invalidated this 5 minute FEG, once we invalidated this 5 minute FEG, I want to see more bullish confirmation towards the upside. So if we go to the 3 minute, now I told myself the only reason why I will pop here is if we have an SMT, and I think NAS took these lows and ES never came and take those lows. So we have a SMT in inverse. This could have been my entry, right? And this inverse SMT could have been my entry, but I wanted to be extra cautious, so I waited. We had a change of state of delivery right here, and then on that retrace to that 2 minute, that's where I popped. Again, I wanted to go heavy, my normal size for contracts, but since this is my second trade, I didn't want it. If this, since this was my second trade, if it was a loss, I didn't want it to be a heavy loss, so I went low size, and I took this trade all the way here, 70 points to these highs. I wanted my overall target to be at this area because this would have been the discount of this whole um, optimal entry for the sales, but trade TP ended up getting hit, so I ended up making a little over $200 here. So that became a $500 day, and that's it, man. Hopefully the noise in the background is not too loud, but yeah, that's it for the trade recap. I kind of rushed it a little bit because I didn't want to keep making a video because of the noise behind me. But yeah, if y'all boys found value in this video, I hope y'all boys enjoyed. I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next one.